The word we'll be learning in this section is tokoya, which you will often hear in situations where people are discussing grooming services, haircuts, or planning a visit to get a trim. The word tokoya refers to a barber shop. It means a place where people, often men, go to get a haircut, shave, or other grooming services. This word typically emphasizes the traditional aspect of a barbershop setting, with services often tailored towards men. The first kanji means a floor or place where you lie down, like a bed or the surface under you, and it often shows up in words about sleeping or the floor. For example, nedoko is a sleeping place and uses this idea of a place to lie down, and yukashita literally points to the area under the floor. The second kanji means a shop or a house, and also becomes a suffix meaning a person who works in a certain trade. For example, ponya is a shop for books and carries the shop meaning, and yaoya is a vegetable shop, showing the idea of a specialized store. I will go to the new barber shop. 新しい床屋に行きます。新しい床屋に行きます。I will go to the barber shop tomorrow. 明日は床屋に行く。明日は床屋に行く。The barber is kind. 床屋の美容師は親切です。床屋の美容師は親切です。I went to the barber's course. 床屋のコースに行きました。床屋のコースに行きました。The most common synonym of the word tokoya is bioin. While tokoya specifically refers to a traditional barbershop geared mainly towards men's grooming services, bioin is a beauty salon that offers various hair and grooming services for both men and women. The most common antonym of the word tokoya is jitaku. While tokoya indicates a commercial place where you get haircuts and grooming services, jitaku refers to your home. They differ because one is a public service location and the other is a private setting.